Today I'm going to show you the quick way to prepare your Intel MacBook to be cleaned up before resale. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. There's basically three things you need to do for your Intel MacBook before you can wipe it clean, and these are the three steps. Step number one, backup and or transfer the data from your MacBook to a new device or to an external storage using Time Machine. I've already done that. That takes a while to do that actually, and I have a separate video which explains that. Look in the show notes and you can see a link to it. So once you're done with the backup part of it or the data transfer, then you need to sign out of iCloud. And let's show you how to do that. It's not that hard to do, but basically go to the Apple menu, top left corner, click on it, choose System Preferences, and then you're going to find, let's see if I can find it here, Apple ID. Oh, here it is, in the top box there. Okay, so here is my Apple ID settings. And then basically what I want to do is make sure Overview is selected and then select Sign Out. So I got this little prompt. I'm going to say I don't need to keep a copy of that. I don't care about that. And let's see how long it takes to do that. Now, also, if you're asked to keep a copy of your iCloud data on the Mac, you can do it if you want, but considering you're going to be wiping it clean, I think it's just a good idea to not select that particular one. So here it is. Do I want to download a copy, delete a copy, or cancel? And by the way, if you're using iCloud and you have another device that's signed into the same iCloud account, for instance, in my case, I have another MacBook Pro, the iCloud data is already on the other MacBook Pro, so I don't need to keep a copy or download a copy. I'm just going to delete it from this Mac because, as I said before, I'm going to wipe it completely clean. All right, so it says nearly 30,000 low-resolution photos and videos will be removed from this Mac. Yes. And I can see the little... Okay, so yeah, it looks like I'm signed out because I can only see the overview is highlighted there. I'm just going to click it again. Yeah, so I'm completely signed out of that. Okay, next one. So I've signed out of iCloud, and the final thing I need to do is iMessage. And you may have noticed that I have iMessage active in here. So what you're supposed to do is you go to the Messages app, choose Messages, and then let's see here, Preferences. And let's see if I can sign out of here. Sign out, here it is. It's under the @iMessage, so sign out of that. Okay, so I'm signed out of that. Now, at this point, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start the separate process to wipe it clean. In the show notes for this particular video, I have a link to the official Apple resource, which explains how to wipe your Intel MacBook clean, but I will also have links to videos that I've done on this particular topic because it's important to make sure that when you're either reselling it or giving it to a relative or to a friend or to a family member, it's really starting with a clean slate and there's no old data or any other artifacts from your usage on it. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Again, I'm Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.